3 years in the making. Still working on it. I haven't touched this car for like the last, I don't know, more than a year and a half. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna replace the seat. My buddy of mine gave me a bucket seat. I forgot what brand it is. And it comes with a bracket for an EG, but a bracket doesn't fit. So I'm gonna modify this thing, and then also buy a welder. So I'm gonna do the bracket to fit in this EF. The interior is almost done. I just need to put it in the back panel. I resprayed it, resprayed the back panel, the interior plastic panel. This piece too on top of to cover the window wiper motor part area. Out of that is there's the refinished piece on the top. It's not too bad looking. Little scratch here, but you're gonna see it on the top. That's the piece for the rear glass. Tail light, the interior, and these are the side panel. Has been resprayed, just the black part, not the gray part. I haven't touched anything on the gray part yet. But overall, this car is in decent shape. The only thing that is messed up is the bolster, like most of the EF two-door. Other than that, the rear seat and the passenger seat is very clean. Like I said, I haven't touched this car for over a year, so I'm going to try to fund the seat today and see how that goes. Otherwise, this car is still clean. These are the seats that my buddy gave me. Right now it's just lying down. Flip it up. These are the seats. Braum. And we got the rails on it already. The sliders and stuff like that. I just gonna need to remove the seat belts over. I'm not worried about this part yet. The main part I'm worried about is fabricating I don't know what is it called. Is it called a bracket or what? The plate. So this is how it works. Right now it's like this. It's not even sit right. So only thing I did so far is because this is for the EG setup. I just wind up this hole for me to bolt in the first one. Just to give me an idea of what I'm working with. So this is how it's gonna sit. And this one is down. If I push it down like this one is first down to the floor, hitting the floor. But if you can see the screw hole, let me loosen this one up. So this one is in, only the first one bolt is in so far. So if I lift it up, you can see how far it is. Is way out there. So either I could just cut a notch and fit in there, just notch this piece out and just put the screws right there. It will work just to hold it. It's not gonna go anywhere. And then this side is off, even though it's a line. I'm gonna give you that view. Even though the hole is a line, but it's too high. This thing is it's too much metal. So what I need to do is I need to cut off about 1/2 inch and then drill a little hole, right? Drill another hole to bolt it down. So once it's flushed down, I still need to worry about this side. So let's say if it flushed down, sit down like that. I'm still off about 1/2 inch, but then I need to extend the piece. I need to weld a piece of metal to extend it out so I can bolt it down to this corner. So let's see how this goes. First thing I'm gonna do is just gonna cut out this notch first, one corner at a time. Wish me luck. So I was able to notch out the little section of this thing so we can put the screws in it like that. So I'll probably need a thicker washer on it, but at least it's going in. So 2 bolts down. So this piece is still long, so I need to cut it so it drops, and then this piece will hit the floor. Once it hit the floor, this back piece right there, this back piece is like have got some space in it. Y'all need to see it. Yeah. So it dropped. We just need to drop about half an inch, and then I'm gonna weld a plate extended out here underneath or whatever. This is the seat rail. End up doing the drill a little hole here, cut a little piece there, weld another bracket for the corner, cut here so it can sit. Should be good to go. The seat is finally in. Looking sick. Looking good. So the front bolt, just gotta cut it up a little bit. The rear one, the side to the center console, notch it up a little bit, different hole. This one is a little higher. On the rear outer, the original hole is down here. We gotta slide it, chunk off and put a new hole in it. And the rear console, right up next to the center, we have the original is on this piece right here. And then we have to cut it and then weld a piece kind of diagonal and then bolt it in there. So no more EG. It's not gonna fit the EG no more. So we did the same thing on the other side too. So exact duplicate on the driver's side, and it works fine. Oh. So how it looks now. Yeah. Overall, my EF almost complete, 100%. Just the door panels and the headliner. Other than that, the interior is pretty basic. Nothing special. Just our original. Put down. I want to see if I can find a deck for that. So you can find a old school deck, maybe an Alpine pull out. You know, make it error correct. Other than that, new seat is in. No more broken bolster on the original SI seats. That's my repaint panel, and it's coming along. It's a long way. Been on this about 3 years now total, a little bit more maybe. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Don't drive it much, probably be like, you know, take it out here and there, but don't drive it much anymore.